Yo, what is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're doing a daily Duppy. The daily Duppy, the artist is Say So. Big up yourself, Say So. First, I react to one of your songs, them G. Big up your damn self. We now waste no time. We're gonna jump straight tonight because the video a climb views. Views a climb. The thing hot. Let's go. Don't know what to expect, but if you get anything wrong, break it down to me, please.
I see you. Eh. She only knows Say So, yeah, she don't know Psycho still. If Say So ain't gonna do it, I bet anything Psycho will.
Okay. She only knows Say So, don't know Psycho. Alright, so basically, him tell we say, him tell you say, him have two sides to him. Say So, which everybody know, and the Psycho part of him. Psycho, Say So, Psycho. Alright, get that part. Alright, let's go.
I can make her day right now if I take her messages out of request. She used to tell me no, now she in a boat like, what's my dress?
She just tell me no, now she's on my boat like, what's the address? So basically, what she want reach her address quick, or what?
Look, them man line, they raps and I bought my ops, it's probably a case. DD pop on the court, no biggie, welcome back like Mace.
Yo, every time I do a daily Duppy, I have to big up the editor them. Because the reason why I keep bigging up the editor them so much, because them help me out in so much ways, dog. You don't even understand. The editor them make the video them look so much good and so much easier to understand what some of the artists them say. Because I not get everything. So big up the editors them again, man. Let's go.
I showed her love, now she throwing up signs. She know them man ain't real. She thought she was smoking Cali, it's probably them man still.
Them man ain't real. She thought she was smoking Cali, but them man still. I don't know that part there. I don't know that part there. I'm not gonna say I know that part there because I don't know that part there. Big up yourself, me Jay, I don't know that part there. Break it down from in the comment section. Guys, that's why you guys are here helping me. Let's go.
You ever got two in a dots and stood to your aiming's gotta be nuts. Like a penalty 90th minute. If I score, I'm lifting a cup.
Last chance, you know? Last chance, like a penalty in the 90th minute. If him score, I'm sure. Say my lift the cup. I'm sure about
24,
that.
but way more 37. Guys say I look older. Should have been fooled of the years I did 18 with 9 on my shoulders.
Okay. So I'm 24, but something about 37. People say him looking way more older than what he really is, which he does to me. But he must say, basically, he have 9 on him. What?
Guys say I look older. Should have been fooled of the years I did 18 with 9 on my shoulders.
Him did 18 with 9 on him shoulder. What that mean now? So him do 18 years with what? With 9 of what on him shoulder? 9 of what on him shoulder? Explain to me, guys.
All the talk on the net was strange to me, cause now he's trending. She used to air my BBM, now she in request pending.
She used to air my BBM. So basically, what I must say so is, one time he was a nobody, him did want her and she never want him. But now he's a somebody, the table turn. The table turn. You bugger yo, little girl, the table turn. But you know, the man keep a thing pending. Me nah look. Him nah look.
I slid on the ops 1,000 times, no we ain't snap sending. Gang tight like TJ, Vince, Penelope, Mikey, Gus, Gretchen.
They got the gang, they got the whole gang, the gang tight. See there? The gang tight like the whole of them. Yeah.
Gang.
Yo, the first song bad. I understand some of what I say, but I sure know say you guys gonna help me break it down in the comment section. Let's go again.
I ain't these rap niggas, all these niggas are lame. Before Spotify check, I put a kid on the train.
Ooh, I hate these rap niggas. All these niggas are lame. Before Spotify, I put the kid on the chain. That kid is the kid
ain't
from...
these rap niggas, all these niggas are lame. Before Spotify check, I put a kid...
That kid is the kid from Top Boy, right? That's the kid from Top Boy. Now, see him dirty clothes. You can't change your clothes, you coyote. You can't change your clothes. Me know say him big and I want grown up now, but me just ask him if he can't change him clothes. You can't change your clothes.
Kid on the train, me and Burner in the ride. Undertaker and Kane, I see them run for shelter like it started to rain.
Me and Burner in the ride. Undertaker and Kane. Undertaker and Kane, two brother in a WWE. So him and Burner are like two brother them. Basically, him and tell you see me?
Mum love I make songs, she don't want me to trap. My jaw dropped, I got called say so by a cat. Mum love I make songs, she don't want me to trap. My jaw dropped, I got called say so by a cat.
Mom want me to make songs. So his mother want him to make songs, his mother don't want him to trap. But something by a cat. I'm breaking down, guys. The full video is gonna be down in the description below. I'm breaking down, so I'm gonna keep going back. That is how I do things over here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
Mum love I make songs, she don't want me to trap. My jaw dropped, I got called say so by a cat.
Oh, peak. It rough him. It rough him. So basically, he might tell us, say, yo, listen, one cat, one junkie, one crackhead, one nitty. Know my real name, dog. And same jaw drop. And couldn't believe it. I'm surprised. What? What did you say? Where you call me a while ago? Say so. Because you never expect the cat to know him real name. You see me? Oh, the cat know your real name, brother.
I can make a day if I apply to a snap. I'm a demon, babe, you know, yappity yap. Boris got us paying silly digits for tops.
Boris, not his thinking, brother.
I'm a demon, babe, you know, yappity yap. Boris got us paying silly digits for tops. It went from 31 quid to now I'm robbing the box.
So Boris make you pay the money there, brother. Oh, Boris get involved. Jaja, yo, Boris, not thinking, Boris.
With the best team, I really come from the block. Where if the 3 ain't near the 7, then it's probably the ops.
3-7. Okay, is it 3-7? What? In era him live? In postcode him live? Or what? In crew or what? What is it? What is it 3-7? Because at the second time, me hear me was 37.
Just gave me 9 years, but now I was only a boy.
Oh, got it. So basically, now the first song when him said it was 18 with 9 on him shoulder. Okay, so it was 18 years old and him get. You're smart. It's 18-year-old and him get 9 years. Okay.
Heard there's ups in the jail, we playing search and astray. Put my top 10 drip on so miss could see me. That was so nuts, she still made sure my door closed shut.
When you drop at jail, if you have beef a road with certain man, when you drop at jail, it's more unlikely that that person, a friend or somebody will know you have beef with a youth there, his associate's gonna be in jail. So when time you drop at jail, you have to be careful. You hear what I'm saying a while ago? When him drop at jail, he was playing Search and Destroy. Search and Destroy is a game mode that's on Call of Duty. Him did not play Search and Destroy because him have to get them out. Because if him not get them out, them are gonna get him out. Jano, mad.
Randy Vaughn, come to party. Please don't let me get my squeeze on. Baby, watch your step, I got my double C's on. Bookie nigga in the back, let me see what he's on.
Yeah. When I take no check, any bookie nigga, we have to see where them depend. We have to see. Nobody coming on a party with no pullover over your head, with no hoodie up, brother. Show your face. No bookie nigga at the party, brother. Girls will come yourself to come look. Where you come yourself to come to beef? We not depend that with you, brother. You see me? We not depend that with your dog. You see me? So, search out the party and find out one winner. Let's go, badness.
In a song you better use it safely. You don't want your mama crying about a baby. I can't go nowhere with that lately, cause people calling me a rapper.
You hear that? Man say, yo, if you're gonna put my name in the song, you better use it safely. You see me? Him don't want a mother to miss them baby. You see me? Yeah. If you're gonna call my name in that song, make sure so you do it wisely. Approach with caution. Me not play games. You see me? Me a rapper now. Me always have me thing pa me. Me always have me strap. Me gun. Me push and wing. Me always have it pa me. So know yourself when you, hey. Yeah. Yo, that was a quick reaction. That was a nice reaction. I enjoyed that. Guys, say so. Big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. When the first me react one of your song, like me send in the comment and the starting of it. Guys, I really appreciate you guys being here, man. I really appreciate the support. I just want to say thanks. So this is the new year. New year started. Let's get to Let's get to 10K by summer. Wait, so we can do it? 10K by summer? What do you think? Is that doable? Leave it in the comment section and tell me if it's doable. Or if I'm asking for too much. I know I'm not asking for too much, but is it doable? I don't know, man. We don't know. So guys, I go have a drink and get the hell out of here. So if you enjoy the reaction, don't forget to like the video. Alright? Look more.